Hi there, it's Janice Thompson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland. Today I'm just filming a wee quick and easy card using the Simply Succulents stamp set, which is in the annual catalogue, the 21 to 22 annual catalogue. So without more ado, I'm just going to get on with the card. So I've got a cinnamon cider card base, a layer of the these in colour paper assortment. So I've got Just Jade, so two colours from the same colour family, cinnamon cider, Just Jade. I've got a layer of white to stamp on, well, two layers of white to stamp on and two layers of cinnamon cider from the paper assortment. I've got ink, I've got my stamps inked up, so what I'm going to do here is, with the Just Jade, if I can get it open, in fact I'll just open them both to save that, and yeah, so this, I've got the large stamp from the set here, and this is a very simple, just to show you, you don't have to do a lot of work to make a nice stylish card, alright? So I'm just going to ink up this stamp. It's just a beautiful line drawing. And I'm going to pop it towards the top of this piece of paper, which is 9 centimetres by 9 centimetres. And that was with the Just Jade, and then I'm going to take the pot, but because I don't want a line through here from the pot, I have stamped off on a sticky note and made some masks. So all I need to do is separate, there's two here, two layers. I'm going to keep that one there and just pop this sticky side down onto. Now when I cut out a mask, I tried to cut inside the line, so this should fit inside the line. It's mostly this bit where I'm going to put the pot that's the effective from. So I'm going to ink the pot with the cinnamon cider, and I'm going to set the pot towards the bottom of the paper. There we go. And then when I take the mask off, you'll see why I did that. So the plants are draping over the front of the pot. Easy peasy, but you know, once you've done it, it's easy peasy. And then I am just going to stamp a sentiment on this other piece, and basically it's just stick them all together. So it's the which, oh, we'll just use this one then. You make the ordinary extraordinary. Extraordinary. There you go. And I'll close up the ink because that is it. That is the stamping. I am keeping this to simple stamping. Hashtag simple stamping. And then I just need my glue, which of course I haven't checked it works, but we'll see. So I'll pop some glue on. Oh dear me. So I've got a wee... The more I try to be fast, there's always something holds me up. I haven't glued anything today, so I'm just popping this into the nozzle. There's just obviously a wee bit stuck in it, and hopefully, yep, it'll flow really fast now. And I've got my layers here, so I'm just going to layer that so that it's got a border around. So I've cut it with a 5mm border. Now if you want to know my measurements, just hop on over to JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk and I will have the details of this card and the measurements, and also again, you could use these measurements for any stamp set really. Just make an image on the square one and a sentiment on the one. And you will see on my blog how to purchase the products. There are links there straight to my online shop. But if you want to go straight to my online shop, it is JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. Sorry, that's my blog. JazzleDazzle.stampinup.net will get you straight to my shop if you know what you're wanting to buy. So then we're just putting this layer here. Again, all the details, measurements of the layers are on my blog. And then we'll just use some dimensionals. And we're just basically job done. So this is the first of a series that I'm going to try and do on simple, quick and easy cards. I will offer them at full on YouTube at full length with me chatting, and then if you want to see quick versions, if you pop to my Instagram channel, which is JazzleDazzleCraft, you will probably see some speeded up versions, which a lot of my customers are finding quite amusing. So I'm just taking the backing off. Plus it just is quite, the speeded up one is quite good just for a reminder of how the card was made if you're working on one. So again, just making that kind of the border equal as I can, and making that straight as I can. And then the same here. And that is it. Quick and easy. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have subscribed. If you haven't, please subscribe, please support my channel. In the description box below there are ways that you can support my channel if you're unable to purchase from me. Thank you very, very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.